Everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of notifications on the application of Suno AI. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Suno AI. In this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.